Welcome to 360 VR video, where every frame is an invitation to explore. In this 180 degrees immersive experience, you'll meet fascinating people, discover breathtaking places, and embark on an unforgettable adventure, all from the comfort of your screen. So, relax and let yourself be transported into a world like no other. Stay with me and enjoy the journey. Some streets become the heart and soul of a city. Their names spark curiosity, inviting people to explore, and they instantly bring to mind famous images and stories. Las Ramblas is one of those streets. This boulevard, just over a kilometer long, has been around for more than 5 centuries and welcomes over 70 million visitors every year. One of the busiest streets in the world, it flows towards the port like a winding river, finally reaching the sea. More than just famous, La Rambla has a life of its own. Here are 17 things you have to do on Las Ramblas in Barcelona. Las Ramblas stretches from Plaza Catalunya, the city's epicenter, all the way down to the Columbus Monument, right in front of Barcelona's old port. Although Barcelona is nearly 2,000 years old, Las Ramblas only became a main street in the last 500 years. Back in the Middle Ages, Barcelona was locked inside its protective walls. The spot where Las Ramblas is now? It was once a seasonal stream flowing down from the mountains. In fact, the name Rambla comes from the Arabic word ramla, meaning sandy riverbed. Over time, this area evolved. By the 14th and 15th centuries, artisans, merchants, and farmers set up shop near the Boqueria. In the 18th century, around 1766, the city demolished its medieval walls and built a wide promenade. Glamorous streetlights, flower stalls, and even a small traveling bird market gave Las Ramblas its lively character. Thanks to its size compared to the city's narrow streets, it became a meeting point for locals. Las Ramblas is divided into 6 sections, each with its own name: Rambla de Canaletes, Rambla dels Estudis, Rambla de Sant Josep, also known as Rambla de les Flors, Rambla dels Caputzins, and Rambla de Santa Monica. We kick off our journey at Plaza Catalunya and head toward the sea. The first section, Rambla de Canaletes, is famous for its legendary fountain. According to tradition, if you drink from the Canaletes fountain, you will return to Barcelona. I drank from it once, and here I am, back to stay. This spot is also where FC Barcelona fans gather to celebrate victories. If you're in town when Barca wins, expect a wild party. A short detour to Canaletes in the Raval neighborhood takes us to Boadas Cocktails, the oldest cocktail bar in Barcelona. Founded over 80 years ago by Cuban-born Miguel Boadas, this spot has hosted countless celebrities, from writers to painters like Dali and Picasso. My go-to drink? The Alexandra. If you're into classic cocktails with a vintage feel, this place is a must. Need some medicine or a pharmacy product? Check out Farmacia Nadal at 121 La Rambla. This beautiful, mosaic-covered pharmacy has been in business since 1918, and the Nadal family has run it since 1931. A little piece of history hidden in plain sight. As we enter the Rambla dels Estudis, look up at number 115. Above the Poliorama Theater, a clock has been keeping the official time of Barcelona for over a century. This is the home of the Real Academia de Ciències i Arts de Barcelona, a scientific institution that also operates the Fabra Observatory on Tibidabo Mountain. Las Ramblas used to be lined with newsstands selling every newspaper imaginable. Now they mainly sell souvenirs, but postcards have stuck around. Grab one. They're more beautiful and artistic than ever. At number 99 La Rambla, Just before the Boqueria market, you'll find Palau de la Virreina. This stunning Baroque palace now hosts art exhibits and cultural events. Admission is free, so step inside and take a break in its elegant courtyard. Welcome to one of Barcelona's top attractions, La Boqueria. Originally opened in 1840, this market was once where locals shopped for fresh fish, meats, and vegetables. Now it's a tourist hotspot, famous for its vibrant fruit stands and delicious snack. If you're hungry, head to Kiosk Universal, stall 691. For seafood and tapas, or try the legendary bar Panaxo, where 86-year-old Juanito Bayan still greets customers with a smile. This section of La Rambla was once the only place in Barcelona to buy flowers. While fewer flower stalls remain today, the tradition lives on. If you visit during Sant Jordi, April 23rd, buying a rose here is a must. A statue of Marilyn Monroe greets visitors from a balcony at the Erotic Museum of Barcelona. It's the only museum of its kind in Spain, with over 800 artifacts dedicated to erotic art from different cultures. Definitely a unique stop. Escriba at 83 La Rambla is a must for dessert lovers. This bakery dates back to 1820 and is part of Barcelona's artistic heritage. Its owner, Christian Escriba, is like a Catalan Willy Wonka, crafting edible masterpieces, from chocolate sculptures to whimsical cake. Look up at number 82 La Rambla, and you'll see a stunning modernist building known as Casa Bruno Quadros. Originally a 19th century umbrella shop, its facade features an impressive Chinese dragon holding a lantern. At the start of the Rambla dels Capucins, look down. The pavement here features a colorful mosaic by artist Joan Miró, installed in 1976. Many people walk right over it without realizing they're stepping on a masterpiece. Barcelona's iconic opera house, built in 1847, has hosted some of the world's greatest performances. Even if you don't catch a show, take a guided tour to see its stunning interior. Once a chocolate shop, now a historic cafe, this elegant spot has been a gathering place for Barcelona's intellectuals and artists since 1929. This street connects Las Ramblas to Plaça Sant Jaume, home to the Generalitat and City Hall. Keep going and you'll reach the charming Born district. Hidden in a neoclassical building from 1867, Barcelona's Wax Museum features over 200 wax figures. Right next door, check out Bosque de les Fades, a whimsical fairy tale themed bar. Our journey ends at the Columbus Monument. Take the elevator to the top for an incredible 360-degree view of Las Ramblas and the Mediterranean. What better way to wrap up this adventure? If you enjoyed this 180 degrees VR tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more immersive experiences. See you in the next adventure.